Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Berry here. Today I am going to show you how to combine two tables which are present in two different databases using a joiner transformations. So let's start with the demo here. The source table I have already used here. Before that I am going to show you what are the two tables. This S underscore employment which is there in the source DB, and in the staging DB we have S underscore department. We have few number of rows here if you see at the below. So these we are combining these two tables using a joining transformation. Okay, let's go create a mapping for this to join the tables. Here let me have a create a joiner transformation. So what we'll do, we'll just select and drag it into the joiner transformations, all the tables from the source and department. So here double click on this. So you'll find these properties. To there are one is considered as a master and other is considered as a detailed table. So to confirm which is master and which is detailed row, you can see the last ports here, M by named M ports. So if you select this, the upper ports will be master. If you select this, the below ports will be considered as a master for her thing. And in this we have few properties to be noted down. Here we have like first is a case sensitive string comparison. Why do we use this? If it is enabled, um, we can suppose in Power Center server it uses a case sensitive string comparisons when performing a joining of two strings. That's the reason why we select this option. Cache directory. This is the default directory present to store the master rows in the cache while performing the operations. Not only the master, even the detail rows cache also will be present in the directory. If you are providing your own directory, like changing the default directory, make sure that there's enough space to store the cache provided by the both master and detailed tab rows. And the joining conditions, I'll come back to this. What type of joining conditions we have here? We have on what columns we are joining these conditions, because when we use these joining conditions we need to have at least one column which is common in the both the tables. Here we have department number and department number. These are the joining conditions where we have. And joining type, if you see here we have four joining types: normal join, master outer join, detail outer join, full outer join. What is the difference between these joins? Generally normal join, what it does is it it discards all the records from both master and detailed resource that do not match based on the conditions. That is a normal join. If it is master outer join, it discards the unmatched rows from the master source and keeps the rows from the detailed source and matching rows from the master only. So this is master outer join. Detail outer join is opposite of master outer join. Full outer join, it keeps all the rows from both the master and detailed sources. Okay, for timing now I'll keep a normal join. Null ordering in master, we can give a specific number here which you want to mention, but right now I'm not going to give in any other these things. Null ordering in details also. Tracing level, normal, we have several traces: normal, trace, verbose initialization, verbose data. I'll explain you detailed later on point. Mainly why, what is all these options we have here is the amount of details to be displayed in the session log. For these transformations, these are the options we have. So based on that some options, the detail will be present. What level of details you need to be present. Joiner data cache size auto. This is not applicable here, so I'm leaving here. Sorted in input, we can sort the data from the joiner transformations to the target. So this is the used here. Auto transformation scope. These are all input row transactions. There are some descriptions about this. I'm going to explain it in the later session. Okay, let me give a condition here, joining conditions. So I'm going to go with the department number by here. Before that, make sure this department number is in both in strings, integer. Okay. Apply. Okay. So I'm going to add the target table here. Here I'm going to load name, employment number, location. Validate the mapping, save it into the repository. Successfully saved. Let me create the session for this mapping. Just a connection link to connect the tasks. Join are all the options we have here. This is a normal join. Play. Okay. The validate is no errors. Save it and start the task here. So if you consider this normal join in the SQL, it is been like a normal inner join. What we say that this is the same operations what it's performing there. So here we have, if you see here we have 9 rows. So let's see the target table how many rows it has. Even it has 9 rows because it has successfully loaded that. So the target table has been loaded 9 tables here. Nine records. This is, so it's a normal join. If we see in SQL form backend. So let us change the joins types and see what the difference it makes. Go here. Select master outer join. Click OK. Save. Restart the task. It is succeeded. So before that I just wanted to truncate the table. succeeded. So if you see here, we have uh, 11 rows. So 11 rows, it's nothing but, let's see, it is a master outer join. So master outer join is nothing but write outer join in the normal SQL query. So if we change it to detail outer join, what will be the change? Detail outer join. Okay, save it. Before running it, truncate the table so that there is no data present. Okay, so we have 11 records here again. So if you go with the detailed row, we have 11 records here. Since why we are seeing the null there but not here, in a sense, I've given the location, so I was just wanted to show you with that. You can see here now. Okay, so full outer join is nothing but similar as a full outer join in the outer join SQL. So it provides all 13 records. So if you go here and again change it to the full outer join, save it and run it. You can see 13 records. Sorry, I forgot to truncate the table. I'll just truncate it and again rerun the task. So there were 13 records as shown here. So moreover, if we observe here, the data is not sorted here in the format. So to sort the data, what we need to do is, in the designer, before loading the data into the joiner, we need to make sure that the input data is sorted, and once that is sorted, you can select the option here, sorted out input, select this, and how to sort in the from the joiner conditions, whether it's ascending or let it be auto, we can sort in this based on these two options. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe.